What's up guys, today I will be showing you how to add a tool game pass in your Roblox game. So first, what you want to do is go over to server script service and add a script. And I have the script in the description. So now for local game pass ID, you want to make a game pass. And I already made one. So after you're done making a game pass, you're going to copy the ID and paste it. Now for local tool is the tool you will be using. So it could be a balloon or gravity coil or whatever tool you would like a sword or anything. I will be using a gravity coil. So go over to toolbox and I'm going to get a gravity coil and drag your tool to the script. Now we are going to go back to the script and we are going to type your tool. So mine is gravity coil. Yours could be a green balloon. So now that we have that done, it's that simple. So now we can just test our game. And once you have the game pass bought, you should get it in your backpack like this. Yeah, that was it for this video. Hope you like it. And yeah, see you guys in the next.